to Santa Baby Christmas in July YouTube Hop. I'm so glad you can join us today, and this is going to be a fun-filled hop, you guys. We hope you can walk away with lots of inspiration from some of these talented ladies on YouTube, and I am so honored to be part of this hop and would like to thank Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs here on YouTube. She is our hostess, and she's done a fabulous job. There will be lots of prizes to be won, you guys, so please follow our hop rules, which will be in the description box below, and that way you can be eligible to win. I myself on my channel will be giving a gift code of $25 so you can shop at frankgarciastudio.com. And this is open to international subscribers as well, you know, not including shipping, of course, but I wanted to do a gift code so that it can be open to everyone. 18 years and over, of course. Check out all the ladies in our lineup who may also have some prizes for you to win. Frank Garcia is also gracious enough to provide you with a coupon code to his store, and the coupon code is Christmas 10. So make sure you read everything on that description box. Here are the giveaway rules, and it's pretty simple. You must be a subscriber to everyone's channel. Please make sure your subscriber list is visible and your privacy settings are off. Must leave a comment on each hop video to be entered. And you must hit the like button on each video. And that's it. Easy peasy. The hop will close on Saturday, July 28th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And winners will be announced on Sunday, July 29. So everything is on the description box below, you guys. So anyway, without further ado, I have my supplies here that I used. I will be sharing my creations. So of course I had to use Santa Baby, this new line from Frank Garcia. I use lots of dies. There's a Spellbinders, this nesting die, that's a stocking, also this gift bag die that I had hauled from online. I just used one of the dies here, which is the globe, and just one of the circle dies, and then this Cherry Lynn Designs die, a pink and mane stitched bow die, and also this Sarah Davies Cupcake Lawn Fawn, and this one is another Sizzix die, which is the scallop gable box. One of the first things I made are these gift bags using that gift bag die that I showed you guys, and it is just absolutely adorable. So I did create a few, and it holds hot cocoa, because the first time I saw this this paper line and I saw the hot cocoa, I knew I had to create one of these little baggies so I can put hot cocoa packets and marshmallows. And I've seen some of you create these little kits, I think like a year or two ago, and I never did make one, so I just thought that would be so amazing. So as you can see here, I made several. And let's see, I think, oh yeah, here's the other one that I created as well. Isn't that cute? I love it. I don't have marshmallows yet in here, but and if you guys have any questions on the projects that I'm going to share with you guys, please just leave me a comment and I can definitely answer your questions when I get a chance. Okay, because I have to go fast. All right, and then I made these gable boxes. Isn't this adorable? I love it. I love, love, love it. And as you can see here, I use that bow from Pink and Main. And I just love the way they came out. And the back looks like that. So super duper cute. Then of course I had to create some tags because that's what we do, right? We create tags for gifting on Christmas. Now this one's a shaker. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this yet. Maybe place it in front of a card front, perhaps. It could also be a tag, so I left it nice and, you know, easy to write on. But it's a really cute shaker. And again, I used that bow die from Pink and Main. And this is that set that I believe I got from Amazon. And put lots of fun sequins in there. And this is the sequence that I hauled from Frank Garcia's store, which is, I think I put it away. Anyway, I also made these cute little sweaters. How adorable are these, right? Made a few of those. I also made these, and basically these are going to be either tags or I'm going to hang them on my tree. Haven't decided yet. So made a few of those. Super cute. And then using that stocking die, I also created these. And again, these can be tags or they can be to put up on your tree. And then I was very much inspired to create these cute little, let me just move that over, these layered tags, and I just think they came out so cute. And I actually worked on this when I was at Frank Garcia's studio the last time I was there. And I just, you know, used lots of trims from my stash, flowers from my stash, and of course I used a lot of the chipboard pieces from this collection, as well as some ephemeras. Oh, I didn't show you this one, but this is a Mama Elephant die set. Okay. And of course, because I have all these tags and I'm planning on making some more ornaments for my tree, I had to create a storage box. And here it is. Isn't it cute? And remember, I hauled that wooden box from Hobby Lobby. I painted it. I had to use 3 different colors, you guys, just to get the right shade because I wanted it to match perfectly with the paper, with the Santa baby paper. And I used lots of the flowers. Here, let me just lift up the lid. Basically, I just painted with the paint that I showed you, and then just layered some cardstock from the collection, some of the epoxy, not epoxy, what are these? Puffy stickers, sorry. And some of the chipboard and I just have trims from Frank Garcia's store as well. Just so cute. I love it. And that's how it looks like. I just painted the inside. And then the sides look like that. So that's it. That is my project share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.